Hey guys, I'm Shehan from Scala Studios. I'm a social media specialist, a graphic designer, and I do a little bit of 3D modeling as well. You can find me on Instagram at shehanbope. So today I'll be modeling a character for a movie I'm working on, and this is one of the main characters in it. So there are a few ways of modeling a character in 3D. One is to sculpt the character from scratch, and second is to straight up model the character. This would help you skip a few steps of sculpting and retopologizing the character, but the right way to do it would be first getting the concept art and then sculpting. Usually that's what most big budget animation studios do, and they have different people working on all those sectors for concept art, sculpting, retopologizing, rigging, and animating, and texturing as well. So in this video, I'll be modeling the character with a reference image I made with the right proportions in side and front view. It's really important that you have this in both views, or else the character might not end up looking like the character you had in mind when you're modeling this way. And also try to have a reference image of the wireframe patterns. It's really important that you get the curves of the mouth and the eyes done properly, which will help you a lot when you're rigging the character. And also make sure that you shift between orthographic and perspective view while modeling the character, or else your character might look too skinny in camera view. And the main thing you should know when you're going for a Disney style character is to have those sharp features in the reference image as much as you can. It will help you a lot in the modeling phase. And the main reason I'm not sculpting is because my 3D sculpting is not as good as my sketching, and I can sculpt and create pretty well, but I still haven't mastered 3D sculpting, so I'm not going to waste time trying it right now. But if you're an artist and if you have time, you can master it within 2 weeks. It's not that hard, it's just that I don't have the time to master the skill. And this approach is not really a bad move, because most 3D artists who don't have an artistic background, like software engineers and so on, get really amazing results this way. And I've been modeling like this for about 5 years now. So I'm only modeling the face in this video. I'll do the hair and the body and the clothes in a different video, so subscribe and stay tuned for those. And you can play the video in slow motion. I have screencast keys on in the top right corner of the video, so you guys can have a look at that and enjoy, guys. Thanks. So guys, this is the final render so far. Although I feel like doing some variations later, I might upload those on my Instagram, so follow me on Insta to see that. And alright guys, that's it for this video. Hope you guys liked it, and I'll be modeling the whole character and I'll upload all those videos as well, so subscribe to watch it. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below. And also, if you want me to do this in slow motion, as in like in the proper speed, let me know in the comments below. So subscribe to this channel, share this video, like it, and thank you guys. See you.